Welcome to Health Bites. Today, we're talking about the biggest scam in your fridge, artificial sweeteners. We wanted sweetness without the consequence. We wanted a loophole. Spoiler, the universe doesn't do loopholes. If you think your body is too dumb to tell the difference between a plant and a laboratory experiment, think again. Your brain is wired for survival. When it tastes sweet, it expects energy. It's a biological contract. When you break that contract with chemicals, your internal chemistry starts filing for divorce. Let's see how. It starts here. Aspartame and sucralose are like 600 times sweeter than sugar. They're basically screaming at your tongue.
Your taste buds are terrified. They send a high-priority sugar incoming alert to the brain at lightning speed. The stomach gets the memo. It starts revving the engine, preparing to break down those sweet, sweet carbs.
But then, nothing. No calories, no fuel. Just a bunch of chemical tourists taking up space and leaving no tip.
The pancreas is the body's accountant. It's already printed the insulin receipts based on the brain's false alarm.
It pumps out insulin to handle the sugar it thinks is coming. But the blood sugar levels stay flat. Insulin spheres floating around with nothing to grab onto, they turn red. Now you've got excess insulin with nowhere to go. It's like a cleaning crew showing up to a house that's already clean. The liver is confused. It starts storing fat because it thinks a famine is coming since the sugar never arrived.
This constant false alarm cycle is a recipe for insulin resistance. You're literally training your body to ignore its own signals.
Now these chemicals are moving into the deep gut. This is where the real drama starts. Buckle up. Meet your microbiome. These guys are the real MVPs of your immune system. They're picky eaters. Artificial sweeteners are like a toxic spill in this forest. They kill off the good guys and feed the chaos crew. Seriously? You're nuking your gut health to save 40 calories? That's like burning your house down to get rid of a spider. When the bad bacteria take over, you get bloating, inflammation, and, ironically, more cravings for actual sugar. Water is a spa day for your veins. Diet soda is a high-speed car chase where the driver is blindfolded. The chemicals can actually alter the way your cell membranes communicate. They're basically jamming your signal. Because your brain feels cheated, it stays in hunger mode. This is why diet drinkers often eat more later. Your kidneys have to filter this chemistry set. They're the body's janitors, and they're tired of your nonsense. Studies show long-term heavy use can actually decline kidney function. They weren't built for lab-grown liquids. So, confused brain, overworked pancreas, dead gut bacteria, and grumpy kidneys. Feeling light yet? We're seeing links to heart disease too. Fake sugar doesn't mean fake consequences for your cardiovascular system. It messes with your vascular reactivity. Your blood vessels lose their ability to relax. They're stressed out. This stress triggers cortisol, the stress hormone, which, you guessed it, tells your body to hang on to belly fat.
The zero-calorie drink is literally telling your body to stay soft. The irony is physically painful.
Sugar is a villain we know. Sweeteners are the villain who pretends to be your best friend. Who's scarier?
At the cellular level, your energy production takes a hit. You're not giving them real fuel, just a shiny distraction.
Ready for the science hack? It's time to retrain your palate before your cells file a class action lawsuit. Step 1, the 2-week detox. If you stop the fake stuff, your taste buds actually regain their sensitivity.
Suddenly, an apple tastes like candy. Because you're no longer comparing it to a chemical nuclear bomb.
Natural sugars come with fiber. It's the speed limiter that keeps your insulin from losing its mind. When you switch to fermented foods or just plain water, the good guys in your gut move back in. Rent-free. Your metabolism stops being a confused mess and starts being a fine-tuned machine again. No more fake sugar crashes. No more I need a cookie or I die 3 p.m. slumps. Just steady, real energy. Your body stops storing panic fat and starts trusting the fuel you're giving it. It's not about being perfect. It's about not being a lab rat in your own kitchen. Choose real over zero. If you must have sweet, look at plant-based options that don't trigger the same metabolic chaos. But keep it low. The goal is a rolling hill of energy, not a death drop roller coaster. Your heart will thank you. Your cells become insulin sensitive again. This is the holy grail of health. Don't trade it for a Diet Coke. Better endurance, better mood, and a gut that doesn't feel like a chemistry experiment gone wrong. Your brain fog clears up because you're finally feeding it what it evolved to process. Imagine that. So, the scary truth? It's not a poison, it's a prank. And your body is tired of the joke. Dump the chemicals. Reclaim your taste buds. Your internal bouncer is ready for a break. You're smarter than a marketing label. At least, I hope you are. Don't let a blue packet ruin your biology. Health isn't a shortcut. It's a series of better bites. Make this one count. Class dismissed. Now go drink some water before I have to come find you. Subscribe to Health Bites. Bye.